Hi guys, in today's video, we're tackling a common frustration for GCash users, which is the GCash has stop error. So if you're encountering the GCash has stop error, here's a comprehensive guide to troubleshoot and resolve it. Alright, first things first, start by ensuring that your GCash app is running the latest version available. So you can do this by visiting the App Store for iOS users or Google Play for Android users. And if there's an update available, go ahead and initiate the update to make sure you have the most recent version installed. Moving on to the next step, it's time to address potential cache-related issues. Just head to your phone settings and navigate to the app section. Locate GCache in the list of applications and enter its settings. And here you will find an option to clear cache. So select this option to remove any temporary data that might be causing disruptions. Now, after clearing the cache, restart your device. So this step is important to ensure that the changes takes effect and that your device starts afresh when you reopen the GCache. So take your time to power off your device and then turn it back on. And once your device has restarted, attempt to open GCache again. Check if the GCache has stop error persists, and if the problem has been resolved, then you should be able to navigate through the app without encountering disruptions. But if the issue persists, then consider taking a more decisive step, which is uninstalling and reinstalling the GCash app. So this process ensures a clean installation, eliminating any potential corrupted files. And that's it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.